Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Cash App Premium Card. So what is this Cash App Premium Card? Cash App Premium Card is a special version of Cash Card that offer enhanced features such as exclusive customizable design and color, and higher spending and withdrawal limits, and additional security features, and early access to new Cash App perks and boosts, and lastly, priority customer support. So here is to note, availability may vary based on locations and account status. And here's how to get the Cash App Premium. Open your Cash App on your phone, then tap the Cash card, which look like a card icon at the bottom. Scroll through the available card design and look for the premium or exclusive card options. If eligible, tap Order Premium Card or select the premium design. Then follow the prompts to confirm your order and shipping addresses, and wait for a card to arrive, usually 7 to 10 days business. And here's how to activate and use your premium card. Once received, open Cash App and go to the Cash Card tab. Then tap the Activate Cash Card and scan the QR code on your card or enter the CVV manually. Then set a PIN for your card if prompt, and use the premium card for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and enjoy exclusive cash boosts. The benefits of having or using this premium card. So higher daily spending limits compared to the standard cash card, and access to exclusive booths that gives better discount at a popular store or restaurant. Next, enhanced fraud protections and instant card freezing in the case of loss or theft. Next, availability to customize your card color and style in anytime in the app. And here's a tip for premium card user. Always keep your Cash App updated to access the latest feature. Regularly check the Post tab for new and exclusive offer, and use the card internationally after activating the international payment